Are you a student struggling to create presentations that look professional but don't have hours to spend on design? That's where Gamma AI comes in. Gamma AI is an AI powered platform that helps students like you turn notes, research, or ideas into polished, visually appealing presentations in just minutes. It's a tool designed to make your school projects, reports, and assignments not only easier to complete but also more impressive. One of the biggest benefits of Gamma AI for students is time saving. Instead of spending hours adjusting layouts, fonts, and images, you can focus on your content and let the AI handle the design. This means you can spend more time studying, preparing for exams, or working on other important projects while still delivering high quality presentations. Another advantage is ease of use. Gamma AI is beginner friendly, which makes it perfect for students who might not have experience with design software. You just input your text or ideas, and the AI automatically generates slides with professional layouts, visuals, and organized content flow. This helps ensure your presentation is not only visually appealing, but also easy to follow for your audience. Gamma AI also allows customization and personalization. Even though it automates much of the design process, you can tweak colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your style or make your project unique. This is especially useful if you're submitting assignments that need to reflect your individual creativity or brand yourself in a student competition. Another key feature for students is smart content organization. Gamma AI helps structure your ideas logically, highlighting the main points and making your arguments or explanations clear. Whether you're presenting a science project, a history report, or a business case study, the platform ensures your slides flow in a way that keeps your audience engaged and makes your message easy to understand. Imagine you have a big presentation due tomorrow. With Gamma AI, you can quickly turn your notes into a professional, polished deck that impresses your teacher and classmates without staying up all night stressing over design. It's efficient, reliable, and incredibly helpful for students at any level. So, if you're a student looking to create impressive presentations quickly and easily, Gamma AI is the perfect tool for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on helpful tools that can make student life easier. Give Gamma AI a try today and see just how much it can simplify your school projects while helping you shine academically.